To disable the auto hotspot connection feature on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap setting icon, tap connection. Next, tap Wi-Fi, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then tap intelligent Wi-Fi, tap auto hotspot connection, and then select never. With this setting, your phone will never connect to a nearby auto hotspot device, even when your phone doesn't have an internet connection. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.